Hey, another box of goodies. Look at this. Another load from England. Let's hope. There's not many in this box. I know I've got a lot more parts coming before the weekend. Let's see what we've got. Oh, it's all stuck to me. File that. All right. Oh, seals. Yeah, these are the seals for. They go behind here. There's two for each vehicle. All right. Oh, dashboard parts for Scott. Dashboard parts. That's another dash spare. And then we've got, these for Connor, for the rear corners. That's for Scott for his e-brake. These are for Scott and various bits and bobs. All right, that's something else we can get on with. But we've got a load of parts to pick up this weekend at the airport, which are flying in. I think it's supposed to be on the 23rd. So I'll take the big trailer and we get loads of stuff. We can really start blitzing things then. Okay, thank you.